LiveGood Affiliate Program. Refer people and get rewarded. Do you have friends or followers who are interested in losing weight, getting healthy, and making money online? If so, you can earn commissions by referring them to the LiveGood Affiliate Program. As a LiveGood affiliate, you can earn up to 50% commissions on each person you refer who signs up for the program and makes a purchase. That's right, you can get paid for simply referring people to a product that you love and use yourself. Here's how it works. 1. Sign up for the LiveGood Affiliate Program. 2. Get your unique affiliate link. 3. Promote your affiliate link to your friends, followers, and audience. 4. When someone clicks on your link and signs up for the program, you'll earn a commission on all of their purchases. See the information in the description. This video is for educational purposes and is not financial advice. Please subscribe for more videos.